Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This look here is a mermaid. So I started off with my eyebrows and I did that off camera. Then you see me here cutting my crease all the way. I'm using my NYX eye base cream and I'm putting more than one layer because I want it to be nice and thick and smooth. Now I'm applying my foundation. I decided to apply it little by little. And I wet my beauty blender just a little bit because it just blends way better. Blend that through. Now this stuff you can find, you actually could use a fishnet. I just found this in my packaging. BH Cosmetics, my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It was already in the box. I was like, hey, works perfectly. And I tried it out and it worked. I took my light teal color. I just put it in my areas to contour and the areas I felt like I really wanted the fish scales to pop. So I kind of put this color to map it out to see where I was going to place my netting. Yes, giving me life, honey. And I added some on the collarbone and the neck area just to drag it down to make it look a little more realistic. Then I took a darker blue, put it right under my green, had that ombre effect, you know. Blend that through just to give it a little bit more dimension. I want my mermaid to be colorful. I want her to have more than one color. So take that dark blue, put it in all the areas that you put your green, blend it a little on the color and a little off. It'll just look way better that way. Like so. You can see that green coming out of that blue. The more product you use, the darker it will be. You can see the first area I placed it was a little darker, so I decided to go a little lighter. Then I did my magenta. Look how bomb this color is looking. I was so juiced when I put this on. I thought it was perfect. Put that right in that crease, honey, and blend. Then I took a darker purple, and right under, I added that right in the crease. You really want to use a flatter brush, but a brush that still has a little bit of fluff to it, just so it blends. Oh, and blend, honey. Then I added my lightest blue. It really looked white on camera, but it has a little tint of light blue that I really like. I decided to put that in the corners because I wanted it to go from lighter to darker. And if you have a little fallout, it's perfectly fine. We're gonna clean that up. Then I took my same teal that I used for my cheeks. I used that for my eyes. You want to put that in the middle, but you don't want to drag it all the way to the end because we are going to go back in with a darker color. So don't even try and go in the corners yet. Slow down. And I always use a makeup wipe to get all the excess from under my eyes. I usually do foundation after and stuff, but for this look, I wanted to do it first because I knew I was going to do the scales. So then I use my darker green in the corners, give that some pizzazz, jam that up, get it popping. Watch when I put the green though. It's going to look way better. That green is giving me so much life. You want to follow that line all the way up, and you still want to bring it into the blue just a little bit, blend it through. Do more than one layer. Sometimes when you cut your crease with the eye base cream, you have to go over your shadow a couple times. Don't forget to blend it through. I added a little black too, just to give it a little wow. And my glitter, honey. You can use just a glitter primer for this part. Add your glitter right in the middle. I use a white liner. And I just drew my wing. I like my wings long and strong. Then add your black, but be oh so careful. And I would really recommend you do black first because I just had to go back over it. every time you put your white on, you want to wipe the brush a little bit because it will drag that black. And this purple came from my BH Cosmetics After Midnight palette. And then I added my green, my dark green, the same green I used in the corners. Then I went in with my blue to contour my nose. And I was okay with doing it a little heavy because I wanted it to have, you know, more of a dramatic effect because this is for Halloween. I went in with a little concealer under the eye to brighten under my eye and also to cover up some of that spillage that I got from my shadows. And did that on both sides and blended that through. You want to be really careful not to get it on your scales, and you can also clean up your liner. And you want to set that with a powder. Be careful not to cover those scales. And then grab that magenta. That mix. You want to add this. This is an illuminating highlighter. It is a silver tone. Mix with a little rose gold, and I love it. It brought my scales all the way up. Brought my scales to life, honey, and I don't think I would have made a better choice because this is like perfect. You see how it's giving me like real mermaid vibes? And just do strategic areas where you know the light will hit. I kind of focused it more in some of the lighter areas on the face and then some of the darker areas on the skin around the neck area. I know y'all see it, but then I top that off with a little, it's snowing in here, glitter. It's a white glitter. I also put that in the corners of my eyes. And I lined my lips with a dark purple. And I wanted my lips to also look shimmery and, you know, like dimensional because I feel like mermaid vibes give me that. So I added a really light lavender in between the purple. And you're gonna see me really blend that out with the brush because I wanted it to kind of naturally blend. You know, I had to take that extra mile because I'm so extra, but I love it and I know you guys will love it too. So what I did was I added a light pink gloss and then I put that glitter over that, baby. And you can't tell me nothing. Okay? Okay. Tell me that ain't all the way mermaid. What? And I added my finishing touches with my highlight on the cheeks and my nose area. And I cannot tell y'all that this look is giving me all the life in the world. Finish it off with lashes and mascara. You cannot have a makeup look without lashes, FYI. I don't know who told y'all could, but I'm telling y'all can't. You cannot have a look without your lashes, ladies. Now I put on my light blue teal wig. I really love this color. I felt like it was perfect for mermaid. It was straight, so I wanted to show you guys just a quick demo on how I curl it. I didn't want a full length because it would have took way too long, and y'all get the point. I will have separate videos though. If you guys really do want to know how I really style my hair, I will have separate videos for you. This one I just want to show you what I did quickly. I just felt like my mermaid needed to have waves. I always run my fingers through my curls just to give it more of a natural look. I added my highlight under my brows because I forgot to do that, so I went back in with just a highlighter color and really put that under the brow just to have that extra pop. And this is my take on Mermaid. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you like this video, don't be shy to hit that subscribe button down below. Join the family, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye, guys.